Welcome back to today's video then with Tech with Mark, and today we're going to be looking at autofill blank spaces with Excel. So you can see on the data that we have here, we have quite a few blank spaces within it, and what you might see for some people as they're filling in this data, they might be putting in things like not applicable, and then kind of every cell typing that in, or you might even see kind of the next sort of people copying and pasting that into there and then moving down as to do it. There is a lot easier way that we can just manually or kind of use Excel to just get rid of these spaces. What we're going to do is we're going to select the data that we have there, and now you have two options. You can either press F5 or you can go up to the top here. We can go find and select and then go to special. We're going to select blanks, click OK, and you can see there that it's selected all the different blank cells that you will need within that or that you have within your data. At this point you can type in what you want to put into all of your different blank cells. So for us, we're going to put in the hash n-a, and then all you need to do is press Ctrl and enter, and you can see that automatically fills in all the blank cells for you. Hope this helps, guys, and thanks for watching.